Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Calendly with Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, go to Zapier. Zapier is a platform used for automating tasks between different apps. In Zapier, you can integrate a wide range of apps to automate workflows and tasks across different platforms. Now, in the top left corner, click on Create and select Zaps. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Now, go to the first trigger and search for Klaviyo. Select Klaviyo from the options. Next, move to the second trigger and search for Calendly. Select Calendly. Return to the Klaviyo setup and complete the trigger event options. Click on the select option to connect your Klaviyo account. Click Allow to grant access, then click Continue. Fill in all the configuration settings and click Continue. Complete the test settings and click Continue. Now, move to the Calendly setup and complete the action event options. Click Sign In to connect your Calendly account. Enter your Calendly email address and click Continue. Fill in all the configuration settings, then complete the test settings. Finally, click Publish, and you're done. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.